कभी सोचा है क्या होता अगर आप दुनिया के सबसे पावरफुल इंसान बन जाते? आज की कहानी एक स्टोन कटर के बारे में है जो आपको ये सोचने पर मजबूर करेगा कि क्या सच में पावर और वेल्थ ही सब कुछ है। अगर आप ये स्टोरी जानना चाहते हो
Stay with me till the end, and I promise you'll leave with a fresh perspective on life. So, friends, how was your Sunday? I believe that if we work hard all week, we deserve one day to relax and recharge. That's why I didn't upload any video yesterday. Taking breaks is important too, right? But now it's Monday, and I'm back with day 6 of our 110-day challenge. Welcome back to Preeti Sharma Studies Fair. I'm so happy to see you here, staying consistent with your goals and learning something new every day. Today, I'm sharing an inspiring story, The Stonecutter's Journey. It's about finding true happiness, and I guarantee it will make you think differently about your life. Let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a stonecutter who lived in a small village. He worked hard every day, cutting stones from the mountains and shaping them into blocks for buildings. It was tiring and difficult work, but he was content with his life. One day, while working, the stonecutter saw a rich man passing by in a luxurious carriage. The stonecutter thought, how lucky this man is. He has everything I'll never have: wealth, comfort, and power. He wished he could be as rich as that man, and suddenly, a magical thing happened. The stonecutter found himself transformed into a wealthy man. He now had everything he ever wanted: money, a big house, and servants. For a while, he was happy. But then, on a hot summer day, he realized that even with all his wealth, he couldn't escape the scorching sun. He thought, the sun is more powerful than anything on earth. I wish I could be the sun. And just like that, he became the sun, shining brightly in the sky and spreading heat everywhere. He felt powerful. But soon, a cloud came and blocked his rays. He thought, this cloud is stronger than me. I wish I could be a cloud. He became a cloud and poured rain over the land, feeling powerful again. But then, the wind blew him away. He thought, the wind is stronger than the cloud. I wish I could be the wind. So, he became the wind and roared across the mountains. But as he tried to move a giant rock, he found that no matter how strong he blew, the rock wouldn't budge. He thought, the rock is stronger than anything. I wish I could be a rock. He became a rock, solid and unmovable. But then, one day, he felt a sharp chisel digging into him. It was a stonecutter, carving him into smaller pieces. He thought, the stonecutter is stronger than the rock. I wish I could be a stonecutter again. And just like that, he returned to his original form. But now, he was content. He realized that his own life, with all its challenges and hard work, was just as valuable as any other. So, friends, this story teaches us a powerful lesson. We often compare ourselves to others and wish for things we don't have. But the truth is, we already have everything we need to succeed. Life will have its ups and downs, but instead of wishing for an easier path, we should focus on becoming stronger and appreciating what we have. Before I move to today's targets, I have an important update for you all. My MA exams are starting on the 25th of November and they'll continue for a week. During this time, I won't be able to upload videos. But don't worry, the 110-day challenge isn't over. We'll pause it for my exams and resume right after. Till then, stay motivated, stay focused, and don't lose consistency. I'll be back soon with more updates and stories. Now, let me quickly share my target list for today. So, the first thing I do is sit down to make notes. Making notes helps me summarize all the important concepts in my own words, which makes it easier for me to revise later. While writing, I also focus on organizing the content well, like using bullet points and diagrams, so that it's visually clear and easy to remember. Next, I watch a video on current affairs. Staying updated with what's happening around the world is essential. I choose short and informative videos that give me a good summary without wasting time. After that, I test my knowledge by attending a quiz based on the current affairs I just studied. Then comes my English class, where I focus on grammar. Today's class is also on prepositions. After that, I attend my reasoning class on the topic of inequalities. This subject is all about logical thinking and problem solving, and it's one of my favorites. Next is my math lecture. I know many people find math tough, but trust me, when you practice regularly, it becomes easier. Finally, I end my day with some reading. Today, I'll complete chapter 10, The Power of Discipline, of the monk who sold his Ferrari. That's my to-do list for today. Let me know in the comments what your daily routine looks like. Before I end today's video, let me leave you with this powerful quote. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Discipline helps us stay consistent, even on tough days. It's the small, hard decisions we make every day that lead us to success. If you enjoyed today's story and found value in it, please like, share, and subscribe to Preeti Sharma Studies Fair. Your support means the world to me. Take care, stay disciplined, and I'll see you soon in tomorrow's video for day 7 of our challenge. Bye for now.